Hey everybody, we're here today and we're going to make some Spanish rice and I'm going to show you what ingredients we have. Hey, we are making the Pioneer Woman's recipe. She uses chicken breast, some rotel tomatoes, some full tomatoes, not crushed tomatoes, some minced garlic, chicken broth, and long grain rice. So right now we're going to cook up the chicken and we're going to cook up the rice and we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay everybody, we one of the items I said was chicken, and that's not part of the Spanish rice, so we're making another thing today to go with the Spanish rice. We're making some chicken taquitos, and we're going to show that too. So put a little oil in the bottom of the pan, and we're going to add the onion that I chopped, half of an onion. And I'm going to get some garlic going on here. Alright, so now we're going to add the garlic to it. 3 cloves of garlic. I have the minced garlic already, so throw a bunch in there. Use that around. And we're going to do this until it's translucent in about 3 minutes or so. And now we're going to add 2 cups of rice to the garlic and onion. One. I have a peanut gallery today, so I'm cooking for 2 other people. We had a little bit of a craft day today, and I said that I would make some Spanish rice and also some taquitos. So I figured, well, if I'm making them, then you might as well video it. So we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes, and you can already see the rice is getting a little toasty and brown. And remember, brown means good. The rice has a little bit of toastiness to it, so now we're going to add the rotel, can of rotel, and I got the fire roasted. Thought that might taste pretty good. Okay, I'm going to add the tomatoes. And I got crushed tomatoes. I think it tastes better with crushed tomatoes. A little less time for them to break down. So we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes or so, and then we'll add the broth to it and let it come to a boil and cook it for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, we're back and we're going to make chicken taquitos. Check out the ingredient. Okay, the chicken that I talked about for the Mexican rice was actually supposed to be for this. So we boiled that down. We have some cheese. We have corn tortillas. We have onion, garlic, and we're going to make it in the air fryer. So we're going to take this chicken and shred it up, and we'll come back. Okay, we're going to start making this. I shredded the chicken up. I chopped up the onion very finely. Have my garlic. And now we're going to add the oil. And we will put the onion and the garlic in here. And we're going to sweat it down so it gets a little brown, and then we'll add the chicken in. So a minute or two. Let's take a look at what the Spanish rice is starting to look like. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. My cats, I gave them some of the chicken. Nobody is eating it. I stepped on it. Doing a little bit of a difference here. We're going to add some taco seasoning to it instead of just the chili powder. I don't know, I think it might have a little better flavor. So we're going to cook this down, and then we'll come back and show you what we're going to do. We're going to put this chicken mixture into the little corn tortilla and roll them, and then they go in the fryer. All right, here we go. The Spanish rice is done, so we're going to Put a little bit in the bowl. And we're going to garnish with a little bit of cilantro. Some people might not like cilantro, but I do. So we're going to try a little bit here. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Mm-hmm. It's very good. Not too hot. I think the rotel with the charred kind of rotel is really good. Alright guys, we will show you the next part of the video with the chicken taquitos. Hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, we're back. And we got the chicken shredded and cooled down. And we are putting them in the taco shells. And we did find out that you shouldn't put a lot in the shell. And also we microwave them for about 10 to 15 seconds. And my niece, one of the peanut galleries here, she suggested that. And that did help a lot. So we're doing that. Put a little bit of cheese. Fold it in half, and then in on itself. And we're going to put these in the air fryer, and we'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, here they are in the air fryer. I'm going to put it on 400 degrees, and since this is the first time we're doing these in the air fryer, I'm going to just keep watching it. Maybe check it every 3 or 4 minutes. 15 minutes, so let's pull them out, take a look. Oh, fail. I see one opened. Okay, things don't always work out the way you think they're going to. I think we'll take that out and put another one in. We're at 13 minutes now. Let's pull them out. Oh, getting a little better. I don't think you need to have them in that much longer. Put them in, and we're going to check it in another minute, 2 minutes. Alright, we're going to pull it. I think they're ready. They might even be too ready. We're going to give it a shot. He says they smell good. I think they're too crunchy.
Oh, they're hot.
And hot! We'll try a couple more. Okay, so now you can see everything's gone. We ate it all up. We ate the Spanish rice, and we ate most of the taquitos. I think we need to work on the taquitos. They taste good, but I think I need to get bigger tortillas. I'm not sure. This was the first time doing it, so everything tasted good, and we had a good time. It was good to have a couple people over. We had a nice painting with a twist here this afternoon, and figured we would try some of the rice and the taquitos. So at the end of the video, I'll show you our pieces of art. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you. So here we are. These were some of our projects we did today. It's called fluid painting. Isn't that pretty?
You want a light?
And we did this one. Yeah, maybe we should put some light so you can see the sparkle. And then we have that. It was really pretty easy. And this one was sparkle. And that one. And this one too. It was a lot of fun. I don't know the cat. He's deciding which one he likes better. Alright guys. Have a good time, and we'll see you here once again one day soon, hopefully. Goodbye.